Good morning to you, Chris. Overall, it's not a bad forecast. Definitely cooler than the way we had things last weekend heading into this week. We're looking at Central Park this morning, and obviously you'll notice that we do have mostly cloudy skies. 63 degrees right now. The winds are variable at 7 miles per hour. So temperatures across the tri-state area this morning, low 50s to the low 60s, and, you know, decreased humidity across the board. So everybody's a little bit cooler this morning. The temperature change, 24-hour temperature change. Things are anywhere from 2 to 15 degrees cooler right now than we were this time yesterday. So I think definitely a little bit more refreshing as you step out the door. I think you'll feel that, the cooler temperatures and also the decreased humidity. We've got dew points today right now that are for most of us in the 40s and 50s. We are getting a 67 degree dew point in Sparta, but for everybody else, we're in the 40s and 50s. So a lot cooler and a lot drier air mass in place with these dew points also down significantly from yesterday. Temperature trend, if you'll recall, we did have a heat wave, right? Started over the weekend. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and even Wednesday, we had temperatures at least 90 degrees. But then that heat wave broke yesterday. 84 was our high yesterday. But with the decreased humidity, I think it felt a lot better. We had nice bright skies. So it was really beautiful. We saw a gradual decrease in cloud cover throughout the morning. And overall, it was nice. Now, today we are expecting partly to mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures much cooler. And we really stay with the slightly cooler temperatures through the weekend. Normal high 78 degrees, so we'll be fairly close to that on both Saturday and Sunday. It's just a lot cooler than what we had last weekend and for the beginning of this week. So partly to mostly cloudy, 73 degrees today with just a slight chance of a stray shower from the disturbance that's to our south. Tomorrow, 76 degrees, so a little bit warmer, but our chance for rain goes up to about 20%. That will be the same thing for Sunday. About a 20% chance that we could see a shower. 77 degrees will be the high temperature. So today we're 73 degrees, partly to mostly cloudy, much cooler than we were yesterday and the day before. As I mentioned, slight chance of a stray shower. Tonight, mostly cloudy, 63 in the city with 50s for the suburbs. And we're pretty mild through the weekend, a little bit warmer as we head into the early part of next week. Mary?
Elise, thank you.